What is going on, people? Welcome back to another video on AJ5, and in today's video guys we do have another price update, price prediction on TRX Tron, which has been pumping quite a bit in the last 24 hours. As you can see, is 18% up, making it just under 6 cents per coin. So we're going to be looking at where is this crypto heading to next. So as you can see, most of the pump was throughout the whole day. It all started about 24 hours ago when it was trading just about 5 cents, peaked up in value a little bit. It's still ongoing at the moment, so we're going to be looking at its next target. Is it time to buy? Is it time to sell? Or is it just time to hold on to the crypto? And looking at, over the long run, is this a crypto to be investing into, or should you just avoid it and invest into different cryptocurrencies? And also looking at how high and how low this crypto can go overall in 2022. But before I get into all of that stuff, guys, if you're new to the channel and haven't subscribed yet, make sure to go down and smash that subscribe button, as well as like the video, as I'm trying to hit 100,000 subscribers by the end of the year. And if you guys can help me hit that target, I will be doing a cryptocurrency giveaway, which you guys can join by simply subscribing to the channel, and for a bonus entry, following me on Instagram. Link to that will be in the description box down below. So as you can see, the market is up just about 3% today. Just because it's up doesn't mean it's recovered. It's still down majorly, guys. The basically slowly starting to recover, but nowhere near fully recovered. So let's have a look. Tron is one of the top cryptocurrencies here, as you can see, and let me just change that to USD. So over the last hour itself, it managed to drop 2% in value. Over the last day, 18% up. As you can see, we have seen a major drop, sorry, not major, but minimal drops in value over the last few hours here, where it went from 0.0646 down to 0.0599 at the moment. Over the week, however, it is down a massive 26% with the major crypto crash that took place over the last few days. Over the month, 13% down, and over the year, 13% down as well. So more or less, it's been very volatile throughout the last year, but overall, it is down 13%. So going into the coin market cap website, we can see the trading volume has gone up by 10% in the last 24 hours, making it above $2.2 billion, which is still a huge amount of money that is currently being traded on TRX at the moment. We're seeing a lot of buyers, a lot of sellers, and in general, just a lot of people trading the crypto, as it's been getting a lot of attention and a lot of hype over the last 24 hours because it's been one of the top gainers. So on the screen right now, we do have the candlestick pattern chart with the Fibonacci scale, which I'll be using later on in the video to do some technical analysis. So for now, let's hide the Fibonacci scale and let's bring up the MACD indicator to do some price prediction, as I'm pretty sure that's what most of you guys are here for. And yes, we also got the SMA indicator, which is the purple line running across the chart at the top here, which is currently valuing it at 0.07580. However, it is trading at a much lower value at 0.05961, meaning it is not performing too well and much lower than expected. So what I'm going to do now is zoom in into the 30-minute chart for the short-term traders, and then move on to the hourly, daily, and weekly chart. But before I do that, just a little disclaimer, guys. This is no financial advice. I'm not a financial advisor. Anything I say is from my own prediction and my take on this crypto, and any gains or losses you guys make, I will not be responsible for. So let's get straight into it. As you can see, the blue line and the orange line are both looking bearish, going towards a negative direction, meaning that minimal drops in value are expected over the coming hours. And again, that doesn't mean it's going to go for a major drop or a major decrease in value or anything like that. It is going to be minimal. We are going to see peaks, we are going to see dips, but the overall outcome at this point in time seems to be more on the negative side rather than the positive side. So potentially dropping down to about 0.0550 is what I'm expecting towards the end of the day today and early hours of tomorrow. Moving on to the hourly chart, next couple of days, what can we see here? Again, we are not looking too great. We've got the blue line and the orange line looking bearish, going in a negative direction, meaning more drops in value are again expected over the coming days. So I'm talking about towards mid next week, we should expect again a lower value than what it's worth at the moment. But as you can see, the blue line and the orange line, they're not looking that steep, so it's not going to be that major of a drop. It is going to be minimal, so do expect drops in value, but that doesn't mean we're going to be seeing red days every single day for the next 7-8 days. Of course not. We are going to see green days, we are going to see red days, but the overall outcome seems to once again be more on the negative side rather than the positive side. Now moving on to the daily chart, next few weeks we are not looking too great at all. As you can see, the blue line and the orange line are looking very steep, going in a negative direction, meaning major drops are expected over the coming weeks. However, yes guys, that is not the case right now. The only reason why we're seeing steep negative lines is because of the major crash that's taken place over the last few days. Obviously the crypto crash that took place about 2-3 days ago, so the graph thinks, you know what, it's going to keep dumping, it's going to keep going down in value, so on and so on. However, I'm expecting us to take a U-turn potentially late June to early July. We should be back up and potentially going back to about 8 to 9 cents target by mid to late July. But again, it all depends on one cryptocurrency, which is Bitcoin, guys. That has a major impact on the most of the cryptos out there. If it decides to dump, then yes, we are going to see a major drop in the crypto market. However, if it does decide to pump back up above the 30k mark, then yes, we are going to see peaks in the crypto market as well. So guys, I have put together a Telegram group chat which you guys can join using the link in the description box down below, where I'll be showing you guys daily price updates and predictions on Bitcoin every single morning on what to expect from Bitcoin. Is it moving positive, negative, and from the whole crypto market as well, and also showing you guys what cryptos I'm buying and selling. So yeah, click on the link in the description box down below. It is currently on offer for $14.99 a month using discount code DEC10 for 50% off. However, this discount code here is only valid for the first 100 members that join, because after that it will go back up to $29.99, and over half the spaces have already gone, so there is literally a limited amount of space left. And also guys, what does this include? One chat is where I show you guys what cryptos I'm buying and selling. The other chat is, you know, where you guys can ask questions, discuss cryptocurrencies, new projects, and also that is where I put daily price updates and predictions on cryptos like Bitcoin to see, you know, what to expect from the market. Obviously, this screenshot is about from 2 weeks ago when Bitcoin was trading around 29k, but yeah. And also I put analysis and predictions on different cryptocurrencies that you guys request for in the group chat. But again, any questions, any queries you guys may have before you sign up, simply send me a DM on Instagram. If not, the link is again in the description box down below, ready for you guys to sign up. Anyways, back to Tron. Let's get rid of the MACD indicator now that we're done our price prediction, and let's bring on the MACD indicator. So as you can see, we have been trading in the green zone since early 2022. So as soon as it hit 2022, we dropped into the green zone. We nearly dropped into the red zone here in late January 2022. However, we did resist, peak back up in value, tried to break out this target here in late March, resisted, dropped back down. And right now, over the last couple of days when the crypto crash took place, we were going to drop into the red zone. Well, we did drop into the red zone at one point, but we recovered very quickly, and right now we are trading in the green zone. So this resistance line is very strong, guys. That target is 0.05. To be accurate, is about approximately 0.05352. So once we do hit that target, around that price target, is very likely we're going to straight away pick back up in value to the green zone. So for now, I'm expecting us to trade into the green zone until about, let's say, late July to early August. Then we should be able to head into this zone here, and hopefully for the rest of the year we should be able to slowly and steady increase in value. But again, as previously mentioned, it all depends on how Bitcoin performs as well. But yeah, that is pretty much it, guys, for today's video. Just a quick price update, price prediction on Tron like you guys have requested for. I hope you enjoyed the video. If you did, make sure to leave it a like, and also a massive thank you and a massive shout out to every single one of you who have been subscribing to the channel. Thank you guys so much for all the support you guys have been showing the channel. So I appreciate if you guys can please hit that subscribe button, because I'm trying to hit 100k subscribers by the end of the year. And on that note, guys, I'm going to end the video here. Thank you for watching, and I'll catch all of you in my next crypto update, which should hopefully be later on today. Until then, take care and peace.